Hi, Steve Petrato here with Horizon Hobby. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the ins and outs of Smart Mode. Smart Mode is one of those features that we've implemented into the 350QX3 that was designed from the ground up for the complete beginner. Inside of Smart Mode, you will find the Safe Circle. What the Safe Circle is a 30-foot diameter barrier that's built around the pilot so that the model will never fly into you. It helps you build confidence, keeps the model away from you if you give the wrong command. On top of that, we've also implemented geofencing. Now, geofencing prevents the model from flying out of your line of sight, whether it's altitude-wise or distance away from you. Out of the box, this is set up at 300 feet away and 150 feet in the air. Another cool feature of Smart Mode is that you have stick relativity. Now, what that really means is that it's easy for anyone with no experience to fly the 350QX. Right now, obviously it's just cruising behind me, but if I push any direction, it'll always go the direction that's relative to me. So right always goes right, left always goes left, away from me always goes away from me, no matter which way the model is facing. So if I push to the right, it's going to go to the right. If I push to the left, it's always going to go to the left. If I push away from me, it's going to go away from me. And if I pull back, it'll come back right until it hits the safe circle. Now, if I yaw or turn to the side and I push right, it's always still going to go to the right. Push to the left, it's going to go to the left. And if I push away, it's going to go away from me. Even if I continuously yaw and pull back or push to the right or push to the left, it's always going to be flying in the direction of my sticks. So that's what we call stick relativity. It makes it very easy for anyone to fly, even if you've had no experience whatsoever. Although this video is about Smart Mode, I think it's very important to mention that you always have return home in any flight mode that you're flying in. This is especially important for the complete beginner. If you ever need it, return home is always available. Also, if you lose contact with your radio to your 350QX, this mode will also activate. To get into return home manually, all you'll need to do is take your flight mode switch and pull it in the full down position. Here we go. Return home activated. It's going to raise up to about 30, 40 feet, and it's going to come home and land where we took off from and turn the motors off. One of the great things about having Smart Mode, even if you're an advanced pilot, is the fact that you can switch into Smart Mode at any time. The reason this is good is if you're out really far away and you lose orientation, you need that stick relativity feature of Smart Mode to bring the model back. Flip into Smart Mode, pull back on your right stick, and the model should fly right back to where its home position was, so you don't have to remember where your orientation is. Let's check it out. I'm going to go ahead and take off. I'm going to go ahead and flip to AP mode, and I'm going to go ahead and fly away from myself. Now, of course, in AP mode, stick relativity is not activated, so I'm just going to cruise out a little bit of ways. I'm going to close my eyes and yaw, and I'm going to let go. Now, I don't remember which way the model was facing, so I'm going to flip into Smart Mode, and I'm going to pull back on my right stick. And what do you know? It comes right back home. And now it's in my line of sight. I can regain control, flip into AP mode again, and come back and land safely. As you can see, Smart Mode is not only an invaluable asset for the complete beginner pilot, but it also can come to the rescue if you're an advanced pilot too. For more information, please check out our website at bladequad.com.